Welcome to SOS Electronic podcast. Today we will be talking about how to build your application on the gen4-ESP32 smart displays from 4D Systems. The new generation of displays from 4D Systems brings great development software and easy-to-use ESP32-based platform. These key features will enable rapid development of your HMI IoT products. You can get started immediately with the convenient starter kit available in our stock. What are the main advantages of such a solution? 4D Systems intelligent displays have been a part of many applications worldwide for many years. However, the manufacturer is introducing a completely new series of TFT modules based on the well-known ESP32 S3R8 chip, enabling easy Wi-Fi connectivity for the new display modules. Good news is that their development software can be used even with the new series, providing a strong and comprehensive tool for fast development of graphic applications. Whether you are preparing a new project or you already have launched a project, these intelligent displays can significantly expand the capabilities and become the core of the entire application. Let's have a look at key parameters and features. The TFT modules are available in various sizes from 2.4 to 9 inches. Larger display types from 4.3 inches and above are equipped with an RTC chip with a backup battery, further expanding the wide range of possible applications where accurate real-time information is essential. Details of other important features can be found on our website. There are modules available in various versions, without a touch panel, with a resistive or a capacitive touch panel, and also with a capacitive touch panel with an extended black glass part on the sides, so-called CLB or cover lens bezel. All options can be found in our product range. Please note, if you have applications written for older types of displays based on graphic chips Picasso or Diablo 16, the software is not compatible with the new modules based on ESP32 due to completely different chip architecture. Nevertheless, there are reportedly some similarities, and the manufacturer has committed to assisting in migration in such cases. If needed, please don't hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to help you. On our website, you can also find our recommendations and a simple guide how to get started with gen4-ESP32. Selected TFT modules by 4D Systems can be found in our product range as stock items immediately available for your projects. We can also arrange other types upon order in a short period of time and under favorable conditions directly from the manufacturer. If you are interested in more information about 4D Systems products, or if you need technical advice in selecting a product, please contact us at soselectronic.com and we will be happy to help you.